Long ago, on the sacred battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna stood beside Lord Krishna, still wondering, who are you truly, my friend, my charioteer, my guide? He had heard Krishna speak of divine knowledge and devotion, but now Arjuna wanted to feel that truth. So he asked humbly, Krishna, tell me of your divine glories. How can I know you in all things? Krishna smiled gently, his eyes full of compassion. Arjuna, listen carefully. I will share with you the truth that awakens the soul. I am the self seated in the heart of all beings. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all that exist. Arjuna listened in awe, and Krishna continued, Of lights, I am the radiant sun. Of stars, I am the moon that calms the night. Of stones, I am the wind that moves all life. Among mountains, I am the mighty Himalayas. Among rivers, I am the sacred Ganga. Of words, I am the sacred syllable, Om, the eternal sound of creation. Of sacrifice, I am the silent prayer of devotion. Among warriors, I am Rama. Among sage, I am Vyasa. Among animals, I am the kingly lion. Among birds, I am Garuda, the mighty eagle. Arjuna's heart swelled with wonder. Krishna's voice continued. Among trees, I am the Aswatha, the eternal people tree. Among the seasons, I am spring, the bringer of renewal. Among the secrets, I am silence. Among the wise, I am wisdom itself. Everything extraordinary, beautiful, and powerful. Know it to be a spark of my glory. Arjuna looked around, and the shining sky, the fluttering leaves, the breath in his chest, and realized Krishna was everywhere, not just in temples or scriptures, but in all of life, in music and silence, in strength and stillness, in love and even in the longing for God. Krishna added, But Arjuna, what I have shared is only a glimpse. My divine manifestations are endless. With just a fragment of myself, I sustain the entire universe. And so Arjuna saw the world with new eyes, and sacred Eden in the simple, the infinite present in the fleeting. In chapter, Krishna didn't just speak of his power. He showed how the divine danced through creation to inspire love, not fear, devotion, not pride. He teaches us to find God not just above, but within, in every breath, every flower, every sunrise. Because when we look with the eyes of devotion, all of life becomes the face of the divine. This was Vibhuti Yoga, the yoga of divine glories. Jai Sri Krishna.